Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your voice on BandLab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up BandLab. From here, click onto add track. Then we want to go ahead and add a new voice and audio track. Then from here, we want to click on record. And now give that a few moments to start recording. And now once you've finished recording with your voice and audio, you're going to have some options down below. So we've got auto pitch, effects, and editor. So in order to change your voice, we can use that by using auto pitch. So we can enable that. Then we can change the category if we like to hip hop, hyperpop, sci-fi. I'm going to keep it sci-fi. We can change the scale to say major. We can play around all these different settings. So if I go ahead and press play, to start recording, you can see how my voice changed to sci-fi, but there's more we can do from here. So next to auto pitch, we've got effects. So click on where it says none, and we can add all these different effects to your voice or audio as well.